This video is made for entertainment purpose only, it doesn't mean to hurt any. And don't take it seriously.
YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy, Others Mark, come back with another big ass video for y'all boys today. And today, nigga, today is birthday day. Today is the day that it's my birthday, nigga. We going to the YB concert today, Slime. How you say though? I'm just gonna tell y'all niggas, nigga, I just got a fresh ass cut, nigga, ass looking clean as fuck. Y'all niggas gonna see the fit when I get to the crib. We probably gonna do a little get ready with me on some cool collect shit. But hey though, Slime, today is my day, nigga. Like, today is the day I turned 17 on y'all dumb ass. You feel what I'm saying? But hey though, man, we go catch y'all when we get to the crib. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that shit smooth. But yeah, we gonna catch y'all niggas when we get to the crib. I fuck with y'all, boy. I'm hit y'all up later. YouTube. So what's up, man? I ain't gonna lie, we just got ready. I low-key forgot to do the get ready with me, but I don't really care. Yeah, we ready. We're waiting on my homeboy to get done, my cousin to get done. Getting ready. Then we finna dip out. And you probably go see me at State Farm Arena next time I pick up the camera. But yeah, for right now, bro, we just thugging, hopping on the game until we dip. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas at State Farm Arena. Love y'all boys. Like, comment, subscribe. Goddamn, so we made it in this motherfucker, bro. We at the State Farm Arena. We with the bro. We got our fucking green flag, nigga. We real slime the fuck out. You already know what the fuck going on. We finna enter this motherfucker. Gang. I ain't gonna lie, Mud. I ain't gonna lie. We really finna get turned in this bitch, son. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this shit since September, nigga. And I get this bitch on my birthday, Slime. Like, this the real shit. Nigga, I really finna go stupid on the merch. Got the flag on the motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta get you right today, twin. We gonna get you right today. Do you care about being on the vlog? Or no?
No, okay.
Alright, bet, merch. Anyway. Alright, what, nigga? Did you just say a motherfucking King Von lyric, nigga, at a YB concert, nigga? Do you wanna die today, boy? Nah, Joseph. Nah, nigga, I really finna get turned as a bitch, though. I've been waiting for this shit all my life, son. Anyway, bro, we gonna catch y'all niggas when we get in the stadium on, bro. Alright, so we back in this motherfucker. We just walking around right now until the next artist come out. I think the next artist, Offset. Might be. Oh shit, this is Offset. After Offset, it's Baby. It's Boy. Anyway, chat. Wait, no, this ain't Offset, man. Oh shit. Your ass didn't even peek. Oh no, this shit is Offset. Anyway, chat. I ain't gonna lie, I just pray and hope on Jesus Christ that some fine shit got a seat beside us. Merch. Where you want to flick up at? You still want to take flicks or no? Right where? Right here? Or upstairs? Alright. Alright, bro, we gonna catch y'all niggas later on game. Damn! Alright, so YB finna come out this bitch. Turn off the green light, bitch. I can't fucking see. Like, there's some overly bad shit walking on the street. More, nigga. Hold on, but my camera's floating. Oh my fucking God! Green gun! Okay. I'm home, nigga. Don't say. You don't never walk away. I said shut you, cause we wasn't watching in that game with the liquor. What's inside? At the bus. Why they trying to build that top they roll?
Say you ain't kissed it, cross my name up, I don't
But these motherfuckers out here lit, you heard me? All that grinding and hard work, son. We done made it here, nigga. We finally fucking made it.
Instead of on every porch swing, like heavy summer air, summer air, summer air.
Share your, hey, save your damn battery, son. Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey, real talk, son. We out our body in this bitch. No smoke, my bro. That nigga my homie. Got money for gold. That shit is me money. With that wings on. Cause all the hots running. Put that on God, man. That nigga don't wanna smoke. Better put up with 100. They didn't want all the smoke. I walk around with it on. The Draco protect me when they gang. Boys been trying to know.
I'm a real shit nigga. I don't wanna let it happen, try to stop me. I don't wanna stop my hustle, I'm on shop. What you doing? Fuck my ass, I hope I make them bloody top of it. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Pick up a heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Dancing in blood with these dogs and I can't stand it. Hey, we got them all nigga waiting on me. Hey, wait to the floor and on the block it to the top. Talking all this talk, I go by top, I get them knocked off. See them youngins hopping out their beams as I'm
later, oh God.
the table, thought I'd be pouring on lean. Watching music on my goals, on the me on feet. She a real rider, living in my idol. Put this thing inside her, and she don't want my title. I make her eat a break for the shot as a vibe. She a hard queen in my mind, there's a night. She a real rider, living in my idol. Put this thing inside her, and she don't want my title. I make her eat a break for the shot as a vibe. She a hood queen in my mind, there's a night. I'm brand new penny, I think I pay over for it. I'm starting to think that I pay over for your love. I'm precious in it, your ass ain't no scrub. I was running over you, I ain't take you as no dog. You something else, you don't know what to do it yourself. You cry, you need no help. I know this too hard for you, but I just wanna have you open when you in my arms for you. You been gone for so long, let's celebrate the reunion.
I'm genuinely finna fucking cry, son. Real talk.
Niggas down, all the stars through the night. And I've been thinking about you every night. If you live it, I know that I should be alright. Cause this tragedy, I can't see blood at the side. And I think I should leave. Should I leave it on high? Should I try all this? I can't lie. I be warm for the sky. On the color with me, all the way gon' follow. Ballin' like a mother blocker. Every time I saw lost in the bottle. Don't know who I want, you don't wanna know. Never said I don't, but there's nothing talk. Drummer than a stump, he go down when I'm Choppers on no trunk, baby, it's the sign. But I need your love, not right now, baby, ooh. I'm not on your drugs, not right now, it's the truth. I apologize for you looking like a fool. I can't on you right now, so I've been holding on my tool. I don't want my ex, I don't want no bitch I had. I don't want no chance, so believe I'll make you glad. If you turn me down, tell the truth, I just might spaz. If you around laugh, I just probably bust the ass. And I think I should leave, should I leave it on high? Should I try or just, I can't lie, I be wanting for the cry. I'm caught up with these hoes, they gon' follow. Ballin' like a bottle blocker. Every time I catch my feelings, lock them in a bottle. And you probably find my horse somewhere else in the bottle. I never wanted for the quick so many times, but I knew this moment would come. Now it's my time. I gotta make up for all the nights that my mama cried. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line. Dropped out of school to chase my dream, I had something for the pros. I put my all into this shit, man, I can't fucking lose. They smile up in my face, but they don't know what I've been through. All out of nights I went to sleep and I ain't had no food. But now I'm up and I'm just thinking about my next move. Gotta keep my head above water, gotta make it through. I do this shit for my mom and my little brother too. Ain't no more problems now, I might as well go back to school. Gotta maintain, stay on my grind, no I can't be no fool. No I can't sip, no I can't fall, I gotta speak and move. Get out, be hard, won't tell later, I ain't gotta keep a tool. Surprised but I knew, my dreams from way back, man, stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right around, everybody knows over me, nigga. Never change on my thing, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I touch you, go on and money up on me, nigga. Everything stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right around, everybody knows over me, nigga. Never change on my thing, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I touch you, go on and money up on me, nigga. Yeah.
Alright, we gotta save our battery.
Desperate, I be wishing that I thrive. Tired of situations, I be wishing that I die. Top why you keep complaining, you'll forever be my child. Living wild, this is not how I was raised up. I just want to frame us, dead want to hang us. I'm sorry for my thoughts and actions that I to your liking. Man, I'm scoring, this ain't no facades. I don't really like it. I don't know who I can run to. I don't know why I can run and hide. Your attention will get you dead. I put a lot of haste to approach you. What this come to? They telling me I'm that guy when I'm inside. I'm still holding all the feelings of a child. It's fine, man. Better at all times. Hustling is fine, man. It's all my life I've been trying to get it right. I don't need you up and leaving me. I need you in a while. Pray on my knees at night so the angels sing. I am not always there. I'm running from my birthplace. Thought it been an earthquake. Trusting my fire, oh, I believe some things can't say when it's on the way. Oh, baby, let me give you something I can do. My job got us fussing, I've been hustling all for you. I ain't got up in some trouble, but can't tell you what I do. What I done, what I did, I don't give a fuck. I speak the truth, I take my speaker off the roof. I made a team, I found the coop, I'm petty cops up there. Hold on.
I told you. I fucking told you. I gotta turn the fuck up, Zach. Hold on, make.
Tennis chain, 110,000. Went to some houses, spent some money, but we still ballin'. No way they hate Drake from the gun out forever. All these niggas ain't know they just won't see my career fall. They wanna see you with more money than him, that ain't your man. I take these pussy, pop the extra out of the pan. The way they cross us, I swear they drive me insane. They drank my bank, they thought they took me out of the game. I came back running on some top shotters. I play them top dollars, hit them like a rough rider. They like a motherfucker. He came back like a survivor. He came back like a survivor. He fell out of love, now he can never trust. They told lies, he was a crazy girl, he ain't know. He came back like a survivor. He came back like a survivor. Pulled out with the Maybach, I came back up in the rolls. I've been betrayed by these niggas at home, and this is the legend. On the top of the room with the middle of the road, yeah. They don't stop on my bros, yeah. They swimming all right or wrong, yeah. We gon' bust a nigga down, yeah. When it's fly like a heart, man, it make me feel better arms, and shoot, burn on the steady. Hit a nigga in the army leg. All the guys on the get. Broke the promise, you was wrong for them. Went to jail, I ain't love. They ain't got I came back. Steady scoping. Why let a nigga know? That's their snake.
baby, little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby.
You bring out little baby. This one shit.
Pain don't just cut, it drains, it drains. It drains. It's beyond the one that's still. Keep it strong, nobody with that window down. Ain't not trying to let them down. I feel like still that you never really
I can feel it in my soul.
Yeah, I say, I'm laughing, but you gotta excuse me tonight, alright? Just keep thinking with me, keep thinking with me, nigga. Keep thinking with me, keep thinking with me. Atlanta, Georgia. I told y'all we got another guest for y'all. I need to see them 7 4 whites and them green flags in there. I need to see them green flags. Let me see them. We're gonna do this shit the right way. You feel like you beat this